Behind me, just square. I look in the
Oh,
sky.
fucking
I'm
combo.
already pulling out a buzzard. We're at the hospital.
Are you okay? We're bringing it.
We're coming,
Want me to
okay,
shoot
but
it?
there's a buzzard.
I'm not gonna shoot it. I'm not gonna shoot it.
We're coming. We're on a good route. We're on a good route right now. We're
I
almost
see
there.
you, Suarez. I'm below you, bro. Go, Suarez, go! The buzzard's chasing you, go. 2 buzzards. Wait, no, there's like a weird heli chasing you. Wait. There's like a... Is that Rami?
I'm at the gym.
Wait. Rami, someone stole your heli, brother.
Almost there, Kay. We're almost there.
Keep it on coming, man. Keep it on coming. I'm
We're
ready.
almost there, but there's a buzzard right behind us.
They're not gonna be able to shoot you if you're carrying the car. They'll fucking kill everyone.
Someone's got an identical heli to you, Ram.
Yeah. I sold like a bunch of those.
Oh, okay, okay. I thought it was like your thing.
No, no.
What is it, Keith?
That's how much is that? That's fire.
Like 650K or something?
Actually, not bad.
Hey, we got ATC on us right now. If they open fire, I'm sure they'll kill these officers first.
Oh shit, chat. Make sure you bring him down low so you don't miss.
Hey, we're bringing them right now.
Oh, yeah, Suarez.
Yep, bring him forward, baby. Forward, baby,
Ooh.
forward.
Come on, baby. Yeah, Suarez, nice and easy. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Hey! Welcome to my world!
What the fuck?
Yeah!
Welcome to my world!
No, no, no. Guy, no, please, come on, guy, please. Jesus! God, Jesus! What are you doing?
Hey, listen, ATC.
Wait, that's
You don't
Bo.
want to know how many times we took you down.
I don't want to play battle box
I'm
today.
not
No,
getting
get out. We're getting I'm not getting
Welcome
out.
to my world, bitch!
It is it.
What the fuck?
You owe me
What kind of
25,000.
battle box bullshit is this? Fuck this.
Smash him up. There you go. Okay, smash him up.
I think I can outdrive him.
Okay, I'm getting back in. I'm getting back in.
Back in the car.
I'm getting back in.
Run over.
No! Please don't kill me.
What the fuck?
Stop.
You want to try to move you, Kay, with the cargo box?
Battle bot his ass. Battle
Yeah,
bot.
yeah, yeah. Try to move him backwards. I broke his car, bro.
Get out. Get out the goddamn bulldozer.
Oh shit. How's this even happening?
Yeah, get out of it. You fuck now. Welcome to my world.
Not hooking, boys. This one doesn't hook. I don't know why. It doesn't hook.
I swear the dumbest shit happens to us all the time.
There you go. Okay, he's at, I think.
It's like,
Hook on a
stop.
Carter. Hook on a Carter.
How does this shit happen to us, bro?
I got you okay, I think?
Nope. I swear, bro. Fucking GTA sometimes. We always set up something cool like this, like look, a fucking centimeter of my fucking thing is stuck and I can't move a fucking bulldozer.
I've got one.
Okay, yeah.
This is literally GTA in a fucking nutshell.
Do it quick, D.
No, like the bottom left of the thing is like stuck in an invisible.
Oh, yeah. That's it. Yeah.
Thank
there we go, there we
fucking
go.
God, bro.
Appreciate it.
I had to come down, that's why.
Now you're fucked.
No.
Fuck him up! Yeah! If you want me to drop a second one, I can. They're all here now, so.
Yeah.
Drop them all in.
We're losing. We don't have it. We don't have
Alright,
it. We can combat it.
We're tagging another cop.
Loudness.
We could be
Siren Carter.
Come on in there.
You get in here.
We got him out of flipping.
How did you get in here?
Well, I'm gonna get.
I flew in.
How are you gonna get out of here?
Another one, Flores. Another one.
Oh God, not the
Oh,
clock.
shit. No, fucking up those things.
Going for pets.
Okay, you want me to drop a third?
Keep them coming. Welcome to my world, bitch.
Yeah.
Oh,
Maybe
you
not.
fucking.
Maybe not.
We good.
You
we good,
can't
Mike.
stop me.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Battle Bots Arena.
You shoutcast him.
Patrol cars fighting against the giant bulldozers. Who will win this bout?
Y'all ain't got shit on me.
The Battle Bots Arena is going crazy.
You motherfucker.
Another one, Clark. Another one.
Bro,
I know how to
again.
drive a little bit.
We got another one.
We had him back.
I don't want.
I'm breakdancing on the ass. I'm breakdancing on the ass.
Hit him
The
with the
police cars are trying to. Oh no!
Oh shit.
Pushes the one bulldozer. Push him out! The bulldozer is struggling as the cars are getting underneath it.
Somebody come to the
It's like sumo wrestling. Push him out! We're on fire! We're on fire!
Oh shit! I can't get
We're
up.
on fire!
Look at it blow.
I can't get out.
I'm getting another one. Hold on.
I can't get out.
Yeah! Woo! Battle Bots! Battle Bots!
Get that truck.
Yeah! Battle Bots!
The hook. You gotta back up a bit. Back up. More.
I'm gonna. Yeah!
Yeah, right there.
Get him!
Right there.
We got one. One's coming in. Turn your engine off.
Holy fuck.
Another one. Oh my god.
Ah! Ah!
Get him out. Get him out.
I'll call you if things get back serious. Alright.
I'm in the last one in.
Get in the back.
What the fuck is going on?
I put another one in, gang.
What happens when you guys are ballooned is that
Another one in. There you go.
explode, but now we're out of the combat. We're out of the combat. We got the
We got a high over here, bro.
Ah!
Yeah, where you at? Right towards me.
LSPD, I'm turning. LSPD! Get fucked up! Get I've been melted! I'm on fire! I'm on fire! I'm on fire! I'm on fire!
Turn off your engine off.
When the cars have been flipped out in the arena, we have two down,
you outta
2
here.
cars down. Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm good.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
No! Get back
The arena! The fight continues!
Oh my god!
It's just us, PCSO! Get him!
Get him!
That's a truck derby, man. Yeah, polish the derby.
Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Oh shit! It's gonna blow!
Pick him up.
Well,
Well, this is where we get out,
Well,
I
that was
guess.
fun.
Yeah, you guys might want to get out.
There goes half of the cops' car force.
Hey, see you, boys.
One more cop that's not in, bro. I gotta get them all in.
Wait, is it gonna blow? Can you fix my thing?
Let him blow.
Oh, God, go. Hey, you know that doesn't blow up, right?
Yeah, can you repair it?
It doesn't blow up. Your car?
So there's one fucking running. Hey, stop. Let him
Bitch.
in the open, bro. You guys fucking running.
Where? Cars on red engine.
Behind you.
Repair it.
Before he's hiding.
Hey, you may throw you in it.
That's fine. Okay, it's done.
Yeah, it's
Done, Dizzle.
What's the move for today?
We gotta keep an eye on this mob meeting. I haven't gotten any intel where it's gonna